secret sauce that'll skyrocket your business game. Now imagine this, owning your very own funnel completely, I mean absolutely yours. No strings attached. It's like having the keys to a high-performance sports car, ready to dominate the digital highway. But hang tight because I've got something extra special for you. A masterclass hosted by none other than the genius Russell Brunson, alongside his unstoppable partners, Shreya and Paul. They're about to lay it all bare, their journey of creating 52 dynamite funnels that are primed for launch. And let me tell you, these aren't your ordinary run-of-the-mill funnels. We're talking the whole enchilada here. Finished products, killer sales letters, upsells that'll make your competitors drool, laser-targeted email sequences, ads that pack a punch, literally everything you need to hit the ground running. Do you know what's the cherry on top? You can roll with these funnels as is, or you can channel your inner digital artist and customize them to match your brand's personality. Flexibility, my friend, is the name of the game. After experiencing this free masterclass, a mind-blowing transformation awaits you. Trust me, you'll learn why private label funnels are like the express lane to Sales City. You won't be slaving away, you'll be celebrating the genius of automation. And hey, ever wondered what the big shots do? Let me clue you in. They're making bank with private label products. And now, with this insider knowledge, you're stepping into their shoes. Yep, we're talking about building a business empire without the hassle. But wait, there's more. Picture this. Pre-built private label funnels, yours for the taking. Upsells, downsells, social media magic, ads that'll grab attention from the cosmos, emails that convert like clockwork, all served on a silver platter. And hey, I'm all about that easy button. Swap out the order button and voila, you've got yourself a fully loaded, done-for-you business. Say goodbye to tech headaches. Say hello to success. Listen up because this is where it gets exciting. Once you soak in this masterclass, brace yourself for an online business that's ready to rumble. It doesn't matter what your niche is. This is your golden ticket to a rock-solid, proven marketing system that runs on autopilot. The best part? You're not just going to understand marketing, you're going to master it. No more second-guessing, no more stumbling in the dark. You'll be in control, steering your ship toward the treasure trove of profits. So what's the deal? It's as simple as a click. The link down in the description is your gateway to this game-changing offer. You've got a front row seat to the masterclass, and trust me, it's a ticket worth its weight in gold. All right, folks, that's a wrap for today. Thanks a million for hanging out with me. This is Kevin Kavanaugh signing off. But remember, the journey to success starts with a single click. Catch you on the other side. Bye-bye. Click on the link below this video to register your seat for this life-changing webinar.